As a recently sent-off digital currency based on Ethereum blockchain, long money is otherwise called long for collection of yield cultivating. Authoritatively sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje, long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that boosts income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with itemized YFI cost expectation. More famous as the token long money has a developing fan following with a goal to boost yearly rate yields and is likewise eminent as APY for its lofty clients. Known for holding the acknowledgement for an esteemed decentralized project, long money tokens are used by clients as USDC, USDT, and ETI while executing different exchanges like storing reserves, and so on. With the assistance of YFI tokens, clients can acquire loaning charges as well as exchanging expenses. Under the umbrella of long, a large number of stable coins get support viz. DAI, USC, UST, TUST, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among various upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DAIDX, and BEND, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Thus, we can envelop different exercises of long money, with the most noticeable ones being one of a benefit-changing loan specialist to increase loaning yield, going about as a facilitator for stable coin exchanges, no capital computerized outlet for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with brilliant agreements. The vital classes to pick above classifications are portioned under procure, ZAP, APR, and vaults. It tends to be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through BEND money, and simultaneously improving pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen productively and actually. The YFI token assumes a critical part here. As of now, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a coursing supply of 36,638 YFI. Despite the fact that set in an exceptionally unpredictable universe of crypto resources, good factors like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly urgent part in impacting ventures as well as long money cost expectation. The essential goal of the YFI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously security. This large number of elements comprise speculation exhortation by top merchants as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money rises to $21,555.80. In light of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost figure for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year venture, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. According to our drawn-out cost expectation, the coin could get somewhat impacted by bears, yet we'll see the bull ride around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the greatest cost of $25,867 and the most minimal cost of $22,299. The anticipated yearn.finance cost toward the finish of 2022 is $28,666, and the YTD value changes may be around plus 33%. In the main portion of 2023, the long money cost will move to $29,416. In the last part, the cost would close the year at $25,984. YFI cost could triple in 6 years among other virtual monetary standards. Say by 2026, it ought to have an unmistakable meeting around $46,714, showing the least opposition level. Long money, authentic information, and specialized examination. Established as of late in February 2020, long money has had an extraordinary group of devoted experts who are specialists in the digital currency market. The previous year demonstrated remarkably certain for long money regardless of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the final part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with huge increase. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for long money as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length gauge is given underneath that portrays the YFI arrangement of hazard as well as figure venture situation for crypto market examination in view of everyday outline and market news giving ascent and fall of long money DeFi token all-time excessive cost. All said and done, the YFI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New organizations would carry YFI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded cryptographic money. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money like YFI, There could be estimates of marvels. There could be enchantment in the present moment as well. In light of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a misrepresentation that this valued cryptographic money could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship. It's scaling above past all-time high, with a touch of tolerance in keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out costs. Financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of YFI would develop dramatically. By when it would not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital currency characterizes its costs, and not its legendary beginning. We should investigate the digital money cost expectations by which dealers can go with a legitimate choice to purchase long money. YFI Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, YFI is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting bringing about a significant push to the cost taking it to cross all boundaries scaling $28,910.64. YFI Value Expectation 2023. YFI has laid out a quick solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the YFI with begetting gain a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. YFI Value Forecast 2024. There are many expectations going ahead for the YFI token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the environment has plans on. There are suspicions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The thrilling special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers collect the additions. Albeit the digital currency markets are totally unusual, it would maybe take a marvel for YFI to build its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. YFI Value Expectation 2025. YFI is additionally dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up force earning a huge market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on schooling, effort, and developments might take them to a considerable degree of $45,829.36. A stunning confidence is likewise anticipated for YFI principally because of its steady exhibition over years. YFI will balance out to bring chivalrous returns for its clients. YFI Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn ideal, this advanced resource is set to break all boundaries and perform abundantly scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all limits over the course of the following year. It would definitely give indications of fortune. Upheld by strong brilliant agreements, long money cost may effortlessly contact $41,683.07 before the year's over 2026. How does YFI acquire esteem on the lookout? The credit goes to dealers. They have trusted in YFI accepting it would scale pinnacle transforming the universe of digital currencies. YFI has stowed its certainty absolutely